In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own voice on Suno AI. If you've been curious about integrating your unique vocal touches into AI-generated music, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring you can create personalized tracks effortlessly. First, let's get started by logging into Suno AI Music. You'll need to navigate to the Suno website, where you can enter your login credentials to access your account. If you've already set up an account, this should be a breeze. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard, a hub for all your creative endeavors. Now, direct your attention to the Create button. It's prominently located on the dashboard, making it easy to pinpoint. A simple click here will open up a submenu of creation options available to you within Suno. Among those options, look for the Custom button. Clicking on this will allow you to tailor your music experience a bit more personally. Custom is your gateway to combining your artistic vision with AI's capabilities. Next, select Audio. This is the crucial area where you'll interface directly with your vocal input. Once you're in, you'll have two primary choices: either record your voice or upload an existing audio clip. For those ready to dive straight into recording, select Record. Here, you can capture your vocal performance by hitting Start and Stop at your convenience. Ensure you're in a quiet space to minimize background noise. On the other hand, if you have a pre-recorded clip you're eager to use, simply choose the Upload option and select your file. With your voice ready, it's time to enter a prompt for your lyrics. This step allows you to type in the lyrical direction or theme you envision for your song, providing Suno AI with the content angle you're going for. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to enter a style. Choosing a style helps Suno understand the musical genre or tone you're after, whether it's pop, rock, jazz, or any other style that resonates with your creative spirit. Now that all the inputs are set, it's time for the magic moment. Go ahead and click Create. This action sets Suno AI in motion, integrating your vocal clip with the specified lyrics and style to generate a complete song. Suno will use your recorded vocal as a foundation, meaning your voice is central to the track, adding that personal flair that only you can offer. And there you have it. You've just learned how to employ your own voice in Suno AI to craft music that truly belongs to you. This process opens up a world of possibilities for personal and professional projects. So dive in, experiment, and let your creativity soar with Suno AI.